Hi, I'm Tenille and I'm the Program Coordinator here at the Community Centre. So this term we're making a few changes to how our cooking group runs. So we're breaking it down a little bit to what we think people might find useful to have in their pantry to be able to put together healthy meals easily throughout the week.
Hi, my name's Felicity Jones and I'm here at the centre to do a cooking course. It's my first time and I'm on my second day.
G'day, my name's Ignatius Boylan, Nash for short. I'm starting my second term here at the cooking group. I've come here to learn the basics, how to be more efficient with my weekly shopping, and yeah, just learn what everybody needs in the pantry all the time.
I'm hoping to learn some new cooking skills, so I can have more than just, say, cheese on toast.
And I think you might find that with some of the things we cook, we've kind of broken it down to the base of how that recipe can look.
Off the top of my head, thinking about what I do, make about 4 different sort of uses of this savoury mince.
Did you find there was quite a few options that you could use for this?
Oh, mushroom.
Am I doing it right?
Never ask for a rare.
What comes next?
So if you cut across on top of the potato, do you know how to squeeze them up?
Mash them up.
So keep a lookout over the next few weeks for some videos that we're going to be sharing to keep up to date with the progress that we make this term.